Spirituality is a concept as diverse and individual as the human population. However you practice spirituality, living with meaning and purpose in life, guided by personal values, is key to creating feelings of well-being and a connection to the larger world. Many people find peace and connection in nature through watching the sunrise, listening to a bird's call, or hiking. Charles Dasher finds it all around him.
Somebody told me the other day that it's a God experience, the great outdoors. And that's truly what it's been for me. Is I can walk outside my door and I'm in it. I find myself grounded here. That I can go be in the ocean, that I can go ride my mountain bike through the trails and just, I get really in the moment and forget about that stuff.
Mindful movement like yoga and Tai Chi creates the opportunity for spiritual growth with physical benefits as well, as does meditation. Accessing an internal feeling of well-being helps regulate our nervous system and reduces our feelings of stress. It also helps navigate the inevitable challenges of life, as poet Belinda Cypress discovered when her husband died suddenly. She turned to poetry and her faith to move forward.
Keep that hope that people sometimes lose when life doesn't come out exactly the way you expect it to. Don't give up. If you have to cry a little, go ahead. Go ahead. But always put someone else ahead of yourself, because that is the secret to your joy and peace. Ask for the peace and you'll get it.
We all come from different religious, cultural, and economic backgrounds. Yet, research shows the overall wellness benefits of multiple spiritual practices across these demographics. The one common result? When we feel peace within, we experience more peace in our day-to-day activities and interactions.